If you are interested in working at Hurricane Harbor, come to our job fair on March 3rd. We are going to be interviewing for all different types of positions. Security, lifeguards, ride attendants, and retail, photography, our cabana servers, and other positions as well. We are looking for team members who are going to help us with emphasizing our mantra of friendly, fast, clean, and safe. So all of the departments that we have are going to be working towards this goal, and we want people who are committed to helping us with all of those aspects. All of our team members gain experience not only in customer service but also in solving problems. It is also important to have some critical thinking skills, and that is one thing we definitely help with in the training and also throughout the time that you are here, whether it's as a lifeguard or in the food service department or as a ride attendant. So during our Hurricane Harbor job fair, we are going to be asking different questions about different departments that we have here in the park and what you would be interested in doing. So it is important to have an idea already what department you want to work in, so that we can direct you to the correct department and also just ask the questions focused to that particular environment. When you come for the interview, make sure you're definitely dressed for success. Also, be prepared to take notes, or if you have any questions about the positions that we have, write them down so that you don't forget. We are more than happy to answer any questions that you have throughout the interview process, or before the job fair starts, or afterwards if you are offered a position. If this is your first interview, practice with a friend, practice with a teacher, with a parent, a role model. Practice different questions as much as you possibly can. We're very proud of the alumni that we have had come out of Hurricane Harbor. Many of them have moved on to other areas of Six Flags within the company. They have moved on to become directors, managers, and some have even gone to become presidents of some of the parks. We are also very proud of the team members who have had Hurricane Harbor as their first job, and they've gained skills to move on to other areas outside of Hurricane Harbor. We've had people who have started in our marketing department and gone on to public relations and other aspects of the entertainment industry. Come to our job fair on March 3rd. We will be interviewing for different positions throughout the park. So make sure that you have done the application at sixflagsjobs.com prior to coming to the interview. This will help speed up the process and ensure that you have already taken that first step into joining our team.